Hey kids, welcome to the Toy Crazy Show. And today, oh my gosh, look what I have. It's Who's Your Llama? It is a brand new line of collectibles by Jakks Pacific. Thank you so much, Jakks, for sending us this box. I'm super excited to open it. Let's get the clothes out and see which one it is. All right, look, we have a Trauma Llama. Oh no. Okay, and I just found out. All right, look, just watch his mouth, Look at his oh my goodness, it was easy to put up. Yeah, you got a fire. What else do you have in your hands? You have a tomahawk right there?
Good.
Yeah, and you have a shield, and you have a little outfit, and you have something on your head.
Got it.
Yeah, what is it? Is your fire?
Fire.
Did you get your fire? Oh no, it's burning your hand. Put it down, Aaron. Put it down. Go put it out, little toy crazy boy. Get it. All right, I won't get my tomahawk to come out here just in case. See, look, we have our little totem pole here.
Look at it. You know what? Here, let's spin right here. Spin right here.
Oh, look, isn't this cool? Boom. There you go. All right, let's get all these other guys out.
Wait, it's right there. It's right there.
Oh my goodness, it is right
Focus
there.
on. Focus
Ah,
on.
there's swords going everywhere! Took the stand away, we're gonna just freeform it a little bit. Look what he's building. Crazy boy, you're doing such a good job.
I'm making monster bird.
You're making a monster bird?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. There's bugs in it! Oh, this is some cool feeling slime. It doesn't really stick.
You want to eat this?
It is whoopsie in there. Whoopsies. Alright. Whoops. It is! Oh my goodness, look how cute she is. Alright, let's take off the stuff and take her out. Look at the black and the purple and the green. And she actually has like a purple and pink shine to her. She is so cute. Ready to go?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna lock you up. Oh, there it is! Oh my goodness! Yay, we found them! You're right, they were kind of magical. They just disappeared and reappeared. Oh, awesome. We should open them. Which one first? Yeah, let's do the purple one. Yeah, let's do the purple one.
Johny, Johny, yes, Papa, eating sugar. No, Papa,
we have some pots and pans. Oh, look, I'm gonna go get some donuts. How cool is this? Thank you so much, Pop Over, for sending us this. All right, let's see if the dream team's around and they can help us play with this playset. Her pacifier, where is it? Oh my goodness. Oh, I don't know. All right, hold on, Bonnie, hold on. Do you want a sucker? Oh, okay, hold on. You want Thomas? Look, here's Thomas. Hi, Bonnie. All right, hold on. Homie, where is it? Oh, she don't want that. Oh my goodness, where is it? Oh, there it is, I found it. Here, Bonnie, look, I found it. Here, I found it. Are you ready? Oh, is that better, Bonnie? Yeah, oh, that was lots of crying. You're all soaking wet. Is that better? That are exactly the same. Oh my gosh, I can't believe we got duplicates and we've never opened up these before. In the midst of all of my excitement, I found her stand and I lost her shoe, but I found it. So, but look, she's so cute. I didn't know that they could come in like different colors, like the same doll. So that's kind of something I did not know that I know now. What is that? Look, and they have all kinds of different things you can do. Where you can do evolution of a guitar, find out different types of guitars, remixes, they have different sets. Oh my goodness, you can freestyle it. How cool is this? Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Little Bits, for this set. It is super, super awesome. It's so cool. We're gonna rock out. All right, kids, let me know in the comments below how well you like this. This is super, super awesome. I can't believe it. You can make different sets. You can do different things with it. It looks like we can jazz the guitar up a little bit. We've got stickers. See, oh, look at all these. Super, super fun. Oh my goodness, they just never end. And there's more. How many babies are going to be? 2 or 3? I'm thinking there's 2. Oh, maybe there's 3, I'm not sure. Oh, there we go. Oh, I think there's another one in there. Oh, there is. So we got 3? Oh, look, it's a black one. That's cool. All right, there's a few more surprises. Oh, look. Awesome. Oh, there's more. Is that it? All right. Awesome. All right, let's get her over here. And let's get opening up all these surprises. Twist. Oh, okay. Oh, this one. I see. There's another one. All right, you ready? Woo! Oh, that was so fun. Look how cute she is. Let me twist her off. How cute! Look, she's got the fox on her. Oh, I see what this is supposed to do. It goes on her head. Oh, look, and she's got her little plate of cookies. My goodness, look what I have. I found this package outside. It was just laying outside. Who do you think it's from? I don't know. Maybe it's some toys. I mean, this is the Toy Crazy Show. What do you think? Huh? It says my name on it. Let's open it up and see. Are you ready? All right. Oh, look at that beautiful ribbon. Woo! Let's see. I should open it like a Christmas. Do you think it's Christmas? Christmas? Do you think maybe we should open it till Christmas? No, we're not waiting. We're not waiting until Christmas. I was just joking. It's a nice red box. Oh, look! Moose's Marvelous Tip Top Toys. Look, and he has Christmas ornaments on him. How cool! Moose Toys dropped off a Christmas gift. Are you ready to see what's inside? Oh my goodness, look! A list of tip-top toys.